episode 24, butter chicken. Today we're making something that I really enjoy, and I've had a really hard time getting a really good version consistently. The restaurants around me are bland, watery, or just terrible. They suck. So let's get this started with the chicken marinade. Combine 1 1/4 cup whole milk yogurt, 4 teaspoons kosher salt, 2 grated cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, add in your chicken that you cut into chunks, about 2 pounds. Mix, cover, and fridge for at least 4 hours. Next up, the sauce. And if I say anything wrong, I apologize, probably. Melt 4 tablespoons of your fresh made butter. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 bay leaves, 2 cracked cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, 1 whole clove, and cook all that for 2 minutes. Then add 1 large diced onion. Cook for 8 minutes until the onion starts to brown. Add in a tablespoon grated ginger and then 4 grated cloves of garlic. Cook for another minute until very fragrant. 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. I actually added extra. Mix together. And then add 1 large can of tomatoes. Bring to a boil, and then reduce the heat and cook for at least 30 minutes. Scoop out the bay leaves and the cinnamon stick. Let the sauce cool for a few minutes and then add it to a blender. If you have to, add it in batches. Then add 2 more tablespoons of fresh butter and 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Blend until completely smooth and dreamy. Bring everything back to a clean pot. Once the chicken is done marinating, arrange on a foil-lined tray. Move the rack to the highest it can go and broil it until it starts to brown all over the top. I gave it a flip and then a little more on both sides. And then simmer for at least 10 minutes. And then serve it up with some basmati rice and top it with cilantro. And this is truly delicious. The whole time while making it, I just kept saying to myself that it smelled just like the stuff we order, but it actually tasted good. And now this is one less thing I will have to order out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Why not follow?